everybody know my car is wrecked. Shout out to Cough Cough. We ain't gonna say no names. Cameraman. We got this. This is what's missing from here, which is probably gonna make my car look intact, because I really hate the fact that this is gone. I really don't care about the scratch. I can get that fixed. The only way I get really worried if the person who's wrapping my car tells me I need to get it fixed. Shout out SDR Customs. Make sure y'all tap in with SDR Customs, bro. Like hold on, let me see if I can, like, I'm gonna drop some footage like right now.
Leche materna, leche materna, leche materna, leche materna, leche materna, leche materna.
Just look at it, bro. Like, that dude's crazy, bro. Check him out, bro. On Instagram, SDR Customs, bro. Shout out to him. Let's fix this bad boy. So, oh wait, yeah, I gotta replace this headlight. Well, I probably don't. Somebody told me they can fix this, but remember the headlight we changed last video? This happened. So I went through the car wash, and remember I said I modified the headlight. Now it's foggy, most likely because I had to modify it in order to get it to work properly, and I probably need to seal it. So let's fix this, fix that. FYI, I don't think this has a port number, but bro, this port is so hard to fuck. Before my beautiful camera died, once again, it's crazy. It's like my camera always dies when I'm at home. Like, it's stupid. This part here, bro, hard to find. Extremely hard to find. I recommend, if you wreck your charger, not gonna say you're gonna wreck your charger. No, you soggy drivers out here, cough, cough. But if you wreck your charger and you still happen to have front end damage, keep your old bumper. This part is hard to find. They do not sell it separately. It comes with your bumper. When you honestly can just unclip it here, 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 and it's like plastic welded to the bumper. So keep that. Keep your old bumper, keep your old parts. Don't just throw them in the trash unless you're running out of room. Try to keep your old stuff. So you know what we need. We need our handy dandy tool here. I'm missing something. Hold on. Don't forget your 10 mil. 10 mil clip remover, wherever you call it. Now let's get to work. So first things first, remove the front bumper. Remove all the clips that's on the top here. And remember, there's a 10 mil here. Oh wait, is there a 10 mil here? Oh, 10 mil here and here. If your car is factory, the bumper never came off of it, it's gonna have two 10 mils. It's gonna be one down here, it's gonna be one up here. You will have to move your fender liner. I don't have a fender liner on this side due to running the wrong tire size. So remember not to run the wrong tire size. Don't be like me. Other than that, let's take this thing off. So once you get your bumper off, remember to disconnect your wires down here. Try not to tug on your bumper too hard. Like I said, this is like welded to the bumper, like plastic weld, but I don't have plastic weld, but I do have some of this good stuff. So we're gonna put some of this on it. Hopefully that helps. It bonds perfectly fine. Other than that, let's hurry up and throw this on because it's hot out here, bro. It's really Louisiana weather. Like, bro, Jesus. So now that we have that drying, let's go back over here and deal with this. Maybe some of that might help this, but I won't know until I figure out where it got water in from. So let's handle this and I'll be right back. Headlight is finished. It had water. Well, it didn't have water in it. I don't know what it was. It was green, but it wasn't coolant, so I'm assuming it's from the car wash. It had some car wash fluid up in there. I drained it, so it's just basically gonna sit till all the fog can get out. The bumper is done. So I might just throw this back on, honestly, but whatever, let's do it. And just like that, we done. No more wrecked scat. I mean, a couple scratches, but don't worry about that. No more wrecked scat. You know what I'm saying? Look back like she used to. I love it. Back to having two headlights. I did hit this one with a heat gun to try to get the organ. So I think I'm about to hit it again, but we back to two headlights. She looked back normal. I feel like I got a perfect car again. So I got a little surprise for y'all towards the end of this video. We're gonna do a little POV, show y'all how it is to drive one of these bad boys if you haven't seen it yet. I'll do more. I try to do it in the daytime because I don't really think the camera is like picking up everything like I want to. I don't know, maybe the camera just sees what I see right now, because right now I can barely see anything. I got glasses on. But let me know if you guys like it. That's pretty much gonna be it for this video. So like I said, this was just something to drop to stay consistent. Like the hardest part about doing YouTube, staying consistent. Jeez. But hey, let's do it. I'll see you guys next Friday.